I met Lagby first time after his performance Myth in Antwerp. I found it so amazing, this, connection between music and theater and dance in his work. And I was always interested in it, and that's why I got to talk to him. I gave him my music, and what he found interesting in the music was this, emotionality and emotions and a little bit of melancholy. And then we got to talk about how he perceives the music in this particular project, because he found the monks also, very, very focused, very melancholic in a way, and and the music has something like meditative in it. So we found it might be a good link to bring this kind of music in the martial art world, which is actually not only about fight and kung fu. It's also about relaxation, about meditation, about very moderate emotions, moderate moods.